Is this you sitting on the fence, thinking about making money online? Because if you sit on that fence all the time, you will never make any money online. And I'm here to help you to be able to make money online and get you off that fence. This is Mike from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. As I said at the beginning of my video, is this you sat on this fence thinking about wanting to make money online to get a passive income? Because if you sit there, you will never, ever, ever make any money online, and I say get a passive income for life. Before we go any further, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, please. Then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications for when my next video comes out. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up also as well, please. As I said, so many people just sit on the fence thinking about wanting to make money online and do not make any effort to do it. If the longer you sit there, the longer you are not going to make any money at all. Yes, you've got to put some hard work in, which a lot of people think, oh, it's going to be so easy to make money online. Well, I'm afraid to tell you, it is not easy to do. You have to put a lot of hard work in to get there. Once you start to make money online and get a passive income, then it gets much easier. But as I say, you need to put the hard work in. Now you're saying, how do I start? Well, first of all, you've got to find yourself a product to be able to sell online, obviously, to make money online. So you've got to find the right niche. And you've got to find a niche which suits you. But also, it's got to be a niche that people are looking for. It's no use trying to sell something which you think, oh, you like it, but then do other people like it? That's a big problem for people, and that's why so many people fail, because they try to sell the wrong product. What you have to do, or what an easy way, should I say, to do is go into YouTube, like I'm on here now, and at the top, put in a keyword for a product which you are thinking you are trying to sell. Now then, what should happen is when you put that keyword in, should I say, a list of other keywords should come up down below the keywords you have put in. Now then, if you don't get a list of keywords come down through, then forget that product. Don't even attempt to try to sell it. You have to keep putting in a product or the niche you're thinking you wish to sell on, until you see a line of keywords come up down below. Then you know people are people are looking online to try and buy that product. Now what you need to do then is write all those keywords down. And when you've done that, for the same niche, then try and put another keyword in, different to what those are which you have written down, and see if more keywords come up. Because the more keywords you get, the better you know, or the more likely you know you are going to sell this product. And then what you need to do then is then go into your niche. If it's a niche you don't know anything about, then you need to go and study it. Then find out everything you need to know, because like here I am now doing a YouTube video, you have to be able to talk about it. You have to know what you're talking about to be able to sell it. And the trouble is, you have got to make many, if you're doing YouTube videos, which is free, and is the best way to do it, my friends, well then you've got to be able to talk and talk and talk and talk about the same subject. It's no use doing one or two videos and thinking, oh, people are going to pick that up and you're going to get thousands and thousands and thousands of views. You will not get thousands and thousands. There are the occasional person, I will admit, that it does happen. But strange enough, you've got to put video and video and video and video out of talking about your particular product, which you are trying to actually sell. So you have to study your niche. Now then, once you think you found a product or a niche you want to sell, and you're probably going to say, well, where do I find this product? Well, for a beginner, the best place to go to is Clickbank. On there, and it's a free website you can use also. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever to use Clickbank. If you go onto Clickbank, and there you will find that you've got numerous different products on there from which you can actually pick out from there. You're probably going to say now that if they're on Clickbank, then they're all good sellers. No, they are not. They are not good sellers. As I said, the product you have found through finding all the keywords before, then you need to find that product within Clickbank. And I'm pretty sure, shall I say, within 100% that you will find what your product on there in Clickbank. Clickbank.com. You will find a link down below for clickbank.com. So that's so very easy. All you just have to do is sign up. They will ask you for your details. You do need to be. You do need to have a PayPal account because they will. That's how they will actually pay you from the product you sell. As I say, so if you've not got a PayPal account, then sign up for a PayPal account also as well, and then you are on the way to start making money online. But you're not going to do it overnight. You're going to have to make many, many videos before Google, who own YouTube, will actually pick you up. But that's a way to start. Now, the other way I can help you is, now then, if you look down below, I've got a free ebook down below. If you sign up, to collect that to email, that free ebook of mine. In there, it will give you all the different things you need to know to be able to start to making money online, which you need to do. Now, also, if you're still thinking, oh, I still need more help, you will see below that 15 steps to success. Now, this is a program which will help you and teach you how to make money online. You'll get a coach on there also, which also will actually help you to be able to make money online. It's a product I can thoroughly recommend to do. I signed up for that, and that's how I got myself going, to be perfectly honest. So I do recommend that you also do that. Get onto that 15 steps to success. Now then. If you sign up for my free ebook, as I say, which is below, I will then send you a link for that 15 steps to success. So then you will get 2 products in one, which I think for you, my friends, is the best way to do it. So please sign up for my free ebook. Then, as I say, I will send you a link for this program, and it's a fantastic program which will give you every insight into what you need to do to be able to make money online. And then you will not be this person sat on the fence. Is this you sitting on the fence trying to make money online or thinking about making money online? You've got to get off that fence. You've got to get off it. And you have to start now, because if you don't start now, you will never start at all. So please, please, please sign up for my ebook down below, my free ebook down below. And then as I say, I will send you the link for these 15 steps to success. It's a fantastic program, which I thoroughly recommend for you, and it will get you started on the way to be making lots and lots of money at a later date, not overnight, at a later date, to be able to make money online. Now, as I said at the beginning of my video, if you've not signed up to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications for when my next video comes out. And please give me a thumbs up, please, because that helps to get my videos shown, and that's a good tip for you as well. When you're doing YouTube videos, get people to click on the thumbs up sign, and that helps to get your videos out there shown. This is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.